Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete a Slack workspace. If you're a primary owner of Slack workspace and want to shut it down permanently, this tutorial will show you how to completely delete your Slack workspace. Now let's start by following these few simple steps together. The first step is to log in as primary workspace owner. Just go to your workspace accounts or your workspace application on your phone, or if you're using your computer, go on your browser and then go to slack.com and make sure you sign in using your account's credentials. As I'm using my mobile device, I'm going to the app here. This is the home page. Now you're gonna click on this box right here on the top left corner. Click on it and this will show you a list of workspaces that you created or you joined. Now in this option here, you're gonna have to click on the three dots next to choose the workspace you want to delete and click on the three dots next to it. For example, I'm just gonna choose this example delete and I'm gonna click on the three dots next to it, and here you're gonna see this option right here in the bottom that says sign out. Click on it and then confirm the signing out, and just like that you signed out of the workspace. It's important to know that deleting a workspace is irreversible. All messages, files, and users will be removed. Slack recommends downloading your data before deleting. Your Slack workspace is now permanently deleted. Make sure you've saved anything important before taking this step. And remember, if you're unsure, consider archiving the workspace or transferring ownership instead of deleting it. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.